As part of the United Nations World Interfaith Harmony Week, the UN in Geneva, together with the Mission of Jordan, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, the UN Christian Association, the Order of Malta and the Holy See, organized this panel entitled Advancing Peace Through Interfaith Harmony.
This special panel was based on the initiative by the King of Jordan in 2010. And it's one of the very rare events, I believe, where the UN itself really arranges or organizes an event that has to do with religion.
I would say it's becoming more frequent. Somehow the conviction of many people participating in the United Nations process is that the sensibility for religious subjects is bigger. It's considered that religion as such is an important factor that at least cannot be ignored, and we have to take advantage of being constructive, saying what we think, and also hoping to be understood properly. We are in front of a very specific question that will stay probably for years to come, which is whether an organization, a government, can establish what is moral and what is not.
Perhaps an organization, but governments?
The Holy See is part of the United Nations. So we would like to have international organizations and also United Nations being sensitive to what is the position of religious organizations and understand also this position. So this is why we are also repeating now, when we have this attempt of international organization to change our society, some people are saying social engineering. All of a sudden we would like to be behind a new model of family, a new model of relations between human beings. We can say we are here to say something different. This is why I think we are accepted and we are understood in the proper way.
Every human being is concerned by his, her cultural, social, and religious environment. For people on the move, these settings are of particular importance. They bethink their tradition and roots and are looking for surroundings they can call home.
Okay, without questioning this, because I agree, but isn't the only ideal surrounding where all these elements exist the places where those on the move came from?
Yeah, I would say, people on the move are people reduced to essentiality. They have nothing. They stick with something that they consider that is important. And you see, they stick with tradition and their religious identity.
The diverse panel promoted their common basis of love of God or the good and love of the neighbor. Its message invites everyone.
Let us join then. Let us join our forces to counter discrimination and address the root causes of intolerance worldwide. Where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you, Madam.
Where there is a will, there is a way. Is there a will?
I think, we have to be critical, but not overcritical. I think sensibility of people is big. So how the government reacts to this sensibility is different. Now we have in many places, negative mood. But I think the sensibility with people will somehow find a new balance. So the will, I think there is a will. We have to at least proclaim it,
So Interfaith Harmony Week, is this something that radiates into the United Nations system, do you think?
I think that the United Nations is more conscious of that is an indispensable question. We cannot avoid it.
The Catholic Church is not alone in contributing to these efforts. The World Interfaith Harmony Week seeks to spread the message of harmony and tolerance among the followers of all the world's religions, faiths and beliefs.